SAP, Oracle NetSuite, Microsoft Dynamics. These are the names that come up when a business hits the size where they need a real ERP. License costs in the hundreds of thousands of dollars. Per user pricing that scales with your headcount. Implementation projects that run 6 figures and 18 months. ERPNext is the open source alternative that 30,000 companies are quietly running instead. GPL3 licensed, no per user fees. Accounting, manufacturing, inventory, CRM, HR, projects, point of sale, all in one stack. 33,000 stars on GitHub, 15 years of active development, and a push to the develop branch today. This isn't a hobby project. This is the ERP that's eating the small and mid-market. This is ERPNext by Frappe Technologies, an Indian company that's been building this software since 2011. 15 years, 33,196 stars, 11,039 forks, 2,000 open issues, which sounds like a lot until you realize this is 12 fully featured ERP modules in one code base. Backend is Python on the Frappe framework. Frontend is Vue. Database is MariaDB. The whole thing self-hosts via Docker, or you can run it on Frappe Cloud, their managed offering, starting at $14 a month with no user limits. Compare that to a NetSuite quote, and you'll see why this project keeps growing. 12 modules: accounting, multi-currency general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, fixed assets, financial statements that actually pass auditor review, sales, quote to cash, invoices, pricing rules, sales orders, CRM, leads, opportunities, SLAs, customer portal, procurement, purchase orders, supplier scorecards, requests for quotation, inventory, multi-warehouse, batch and serial tracking, stock movements with full audit trail, manufacturing, bills of material, work orders, capacity planning, subcontracting workflows, HR and payroll, employee records, leave, expenses, payroll cycles for any country, projects, tasks, timesheets, billable hours, point of sale that runs offline, quality with inspection plans, support with ticketing and SLAs, asset management from purchase to disposal. This is a complete operational backbone for a real business. Self-hosting ERPNext is 3 commands. Clone the Frappe Docker repo, change into it, and Docker compose up using the included pwd.yml file. 5 minutes later, you've got an ERPNext instance running on port 8080 with a default admin account. For a real production install, you graduate to Frappe Bench, the official tooling that handles multi-tenant deployments, backups, and updates. Bench new site, bench get app ERPNext, bench install app ERPNext. 3 commands again. That's the install path that 30,000 companies have followed. The path is well trodden, which matters when you're betting your operational stack on open source software. The pricing model is what makes ERPNext dangerous to the incumbents. SAP and NetSuite charge per user. Add a warehouse worker who needs to look up stock, that's another seat. Add a sales rep who needs CRM access, another seat. A 100-person company can easily spend $300,000 a year on user licenses alone, before they pay for hosting, support, or implementation. ERPNext flips that. Self-host on your own infrastructure, the only cost is your hosting bill. Run on Frappe Cloud, the entry tier is $14 a month. Total, not per user. That isn't a discount, that's a structural pricing difference, and it means the math of who can afford an ERP changes completely. A 10-person company can run the same software a 5,000-person company runs. The Frappe framework underneath ERPNext is the real story for developers. It's a full-stack Python framework with a Vue UI library, built around the concept of doc types, schemas that auto-generate forms, list views, reports, and REST APIs. Want a custom invoice template with 3 extra fields? You don't fork ERPNext. You define a custom doc type, and Frappe generates the database tables, the admin UI, and the API endpoints automatically. That extensibility is why ERPNext has working modules for Indian GST, Brazilian tax compliance, healthcare in the UK, manufacturing for the EU. The same framework powers a growing ecosystem of Frappe apps for CRM, HR, learning management, and help desk, built by other companies, deployed alongside ERPNext. Go to frappe.io/ERPNext, spin up the Docker compose for an evaluation, and in 15 minutes, you'll see the whole stack. Subscribe to Awesome FOSS. We find the projects that actually slap.